In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically check spelling and grammar in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly handy and ensures that your documents maintain a professional standard without requiring a manual review every single time. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage Google Docs to improve your writing skills with just a few clicks. To start, open your document in Google Docs. At the top of your screen, locate and click on the Tools tab in the menu bar. This tab contains an array of helpful options, but today we're focusing on spelling and grammar. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing different tools available to you. Now that you're in the Tools menu, look for the option labeled Spelling and Grammar Check. Click on it, and you'll notice a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This feature is designed to scan through your document, highlighting any errors Google Docs detects, whether they be in spelling or grammatical structure. Google Docs makes this process interactive and user-friendly. You'll be given suggestions for each error it finds. You can navigate through these suggestions using the Next Suggestion button. This allows you to examine each proposed correction one step at a time, ensuring that you're making the best decision for each suggested change. It's crucial because context matters, and not every suggestion is necessarily the right fit for what you're trying to convey. As you examine the suggestions, you can choose to accept them. To do this, simply click on the Accept button for each suggestion you agree with. Google Docs will automatically implement the change, refining your document with just a simple click. This seamless integration makes it easier to keep your focus on content creation, rather than being bogged down by the technicalities of spelling and grammar. A quick tip to remember: if there are sections in your document where Google repeatedly flags certain words or phrases due to them being technical terms, brand names, or anything context-specific, you might want to consider adding those to your personal dictionary within Google Docs. This can prevent unnecessary flagging and maintain the efficiency of this tool. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly maintain the quality of your documents. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves writing, these tools are created to support and enhance your writing process. Experiment with these features and take control of your document's accuracy and readability with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to check out more of our guides for additional ways to streamline your work processes in various digital tools.